और एक नमस्ते स्वामी जी, एक्चुअली अब हम लोग जो पढ़ते हैं कि मनी कैन बाय हैप्पीनेस, तो आजकल वो ना मंदिरों में भी दिखाई दे रहा है. कल हम लोग एक मंदिर गए थे जहाँ पे हम लोग दर्शन कर रहे हैं. तो वहाँ पे जो पुजारी थे ना, वो पुजारी ऐसे बोल रहे थे कि चढ़ावा डालो, भगवान जी प्रसन्न हो जाएंगे, आपका जो कुछ भी मनोकामना है वो पूरी हो जाएगी, चढ़ावा डाल दो. तो ये मनी कैन बाय हैप्पीनेस, ये सब अभी मतलब भगवान को चढ़ावा डालने से भगवान खुश होके हम लोगों को देंगे?
नहीं नहीं, एकदम गलत बात है. और जो तुम पढ़ती हो वही गलत पढ़ रही हो. मनी कांट बाय एवरीथिंग. मनी कैन बाय एवरीथिंग नहीं है. Money can't buy everything. Money can buy the things for food, for class, for house, okay. But money can't buy the happiness. Happiness have to come from within you. And there is no any God ask for the money. No any God tell you, bring coconut for me, bring flower for me, or give me something. No. A pujari, priest, or father, or maulvi, if they are asking, they are not God, no? God never asks you something. God is there always to give you. And for God, you don't need to bring something. Or you no need to go anywhere. You are going in temple, it's very good things. But when you are alone, when you are in quiet, when you are in peace, and you alone can pray with the God. But just going and buying the coconut or flower and giving there have no any meaning. And if some priest or anybody asks you to give something, or anybody asks you money, immediately you can understand this is the cheating, this is the business. Never can God ask you. You are the child of the God. You are just one flower of the God garden. How God can ask something from you? So if somebody else asking, it means this person have nothing to do with the God. God always there to save you, to help you, to guide you. God is not there to do any business. He don't have any business. So any temple, any ashram, anybody, if he is asking you money, it means the person is asking you money, not the God. God don't have any agent. And you don't need any agent or anybody in middle to have the connection with the God. Your connection with God only with yourself is totally individual journey. Anywhere, wherever you are under the tree, you are in your house, you are in your room, wherever you close eyes, and from your heart you remember the God, God is always there. You don't have to search the God. God is within you. Just close your eyes and God is with you.